I had some time to stop at Marty's Hobbies today. It's my second trip here, but had to take Kisses to test drive a brand new car. So I'm gonna take a look in here. I love this place, man. It's awesome. It's got some great hobbies, and here on Saturdays they normally do some racing, so they have an indoor racetrack. Hey, what's going on, man? Good. Long time no see. Remember I was here last year. Yeah, he helped us out last year when we were here. Do you guys have the new infractions, the armor trucks? Let me guess, you guys got a wall full of them, right?
There's 3 of them left.
Oh, only 3?
Yes, sir. How you been, man?
Oh, good, man. Just editing and.
Oh, I have a couple of things that we might get in trouble, but we might not get in trouble. One of them is, so this shop has early access to some of the brand newest products. One of the newest products is the one that you're seeing over there in the top.
Oh, which one?
This
airplane?
This hasn't even been dropped from Horizon.
All right.
So because our level of exclusivity and level of sales that we do, customer service also, it's really outstanding that let us have certain products that are, you know, really brand new that they don't have anything announced. Like this one is the EC-1500 Twin 1.5 meter, and it's right there.
Oh, sweet. Can we take it down and look at it? Or record
No, you
or
can go ahead and look at it, but we can't really take it down. And then the other product
How you guys doing?
brand new right now,
Sweet,
that nobody has, is this. It's a Mercedes-Benz 4-wheel drive from Traxxas. That's a product that is not even available to the consumer just yet. So it's available for you to look at it.
When's it scheduled for release?
Release is about 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks. Okay. Sweet. How much is that one, honey? All right. So this one, this bad boy is not even out yet. You guys know the details on it, the specs or anything?
On that thing?
Yeah.
It's the EC-1500. It came out 2 days ago.
All right.
2 brush drives. I think they're 40 amp speed controllers. It's basically just a stunt plane in a cargo plane chassis.
Okay.
It's pretty sick. Runs through 4-cell that hangs on a prop.
What's the battery life on it?
7 to 12 minutes.
Ooh. 7 to 12?
That's about what all of them are, though.
Well, this is too big. This is too big. Yeah, it's just
Weight, anything different from maybe some of the other competitors out there?
Not really that I know of. I don't really venture around too much with people, sadly.
Right.
I like being able to get my parts easy access anywhere.
And when's this one scheduled for release?
I think it was announced yesterday, and then they're coming in like 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay.
10th of September.
10th of September, guys.
Oh, dang. I got the first 1 month of it.
Yeah, a lot of the guys I talked to, they were happy with the last video I did of the place. So.
60-inch wingspan.
All right, 6-inch wingspan.
47 inches long.
47 inches long. Okay. So I can't fully see everything that's up there, but maybe if I move back a little bit. Just announced yesterday, so it's pretty cool. There's the box for it up there, our Horizon. He looked it up. All right, guys, so scheduled to come out in a few weeks, September 10th. How much is that one?
It's only $419.
That's $420 for that train? That's a whole lot of track and a whole lot of train.
But it comes with Bluetooth. It comes with.
I'm sure it does. It probably comes with a security camera system.
For me, and then we can look it up online.
Yeah, sure.
100% sure the exact day it's going to be coming out, but as of right now, this is one of the only ones that's out. It's,
I could have sworn I've seen it on their website some time ago, though. I could be mistaken.
well, they released it outside of the U.S. Like Germany had it originally because Daimler licensed, the Mercedes and everything. I know a couple of people out there have had it, and I'm sure they've shipped it into the United States. But as far as the U.S. release, it's not available yet.
Okay. All right, well, I'll let the guys know. And this is this one for sale or is this a demo?
This one it's actually reserved right now, so you can buy it out. We have it at the retail price right now because they offer the thing. But I believe, I'm not 100% sure on the details. Yeah.
Oh, is that it right there?
No, that's the Chevy Blazer version.
Okay.
It's the same chassis. You don't get the body kit, and this is the first one they're selling with the 2.2 tires.
2.2 tires. All right, guys. All right, cool.
Everything's fully licensed.
Fully licensed. All right. Cool. I'll let the guys know. Okay, we're just still walking through the store here. This isn't going to be a full review or a full walkthrough. But looks like they've changed the store a little bit. Got the Summit, we got an X-Max. Ooh, $899. Very tempting, because I need the 8S upgrade. I'm still undecided as whether I should do this or get the motor mount. Then I'd have my extra X-Max, which I hardly even run anymore. Then, of course, I need some 4Ss. Oh, good, man. And of course, all this over here is Traxxas stuff, and mostly RC cars and parts. Ooh. And we have some more Traxxas cars over here. A Raptor. Hey, where's the rest of your armor trucks in inventory? You guys have them? See if I'm asking what they have. Hey, do you guys happen to have the Arma Limitless in stock?
That hasn't been dropped.
It hasn't been dropped. Okay.
You're still waiting for it. Is, I think, I can tell you.
They haven't even sent you guys a demo?
No, they're not like Traxxas where we're
from Marva.
It's actually due back in 12 days.
12 days, okay. Because I know a lot of the other dealers I've been to, they have the infractions in stock and
No,
have
not
those.
limitless. Limitless.
We put like 6 of those on order.
At the end of the month, I'll be honest, I think the end of the month will be when we're going to be looking at it.
Okay.
I think it's sick too.
Yeah, it's a cool car.
Formula One inspired.
I love the option they gave you to add your own electronics because, you know, so many times we just have cars and stuff laying around.
Oh, jeez.
You could just...
Back broken. She didn't quite take it.
Oh.
Surprise! Surprise! No, I was wheeling it from the loading dock. And got a little too close to one of them curb things. Them curb things? The curb. The damn curb thing.
And then your car stopped itself.
Excavator model.
That is something that I'm.
That's exactly what it says. Well, I don't know, lights flash when you put it down.
When you put that new one in, can you shorten it?
That's exactly what it says. Radio control excavator model. Look how worded.
Oh wait, oh you're doing the.
I'm doing ground first.
Oh, you're doing ground first? Okay. Well, right there's good because you cut all this off already, so it should be fine. Yeah.
And then I have this much left. So it'll be about the same. Go a little shorter.
Oh yeah.
That's not good